We're gonna make soba salad that I like to eat. So I've got my soba, spinach, cucumbers, wakame, tomatoes, green onion, egg, my turkey, sesame seeds. And then I like to just top it off with this honsuyu. I'm gonna measure it out, otherwise it's gonna be drowning. I can always add more. And then when I'm feeling crazy, I add just a little drizzle of Kewpie. There it is. It's kind of like yashuka, but with soba. Itadakimasu. It's so good. I have imitation crab, kanikama, in my freezer. It's frozen. You could add that on there too. Look at all the colors. Let's just in the shop.